Hello family, my name is Tariro, and I just felt I needed to share this word that's literally been on repeat since like last year, July. I'm going to read from 1 Samuel 16, starting from verse 14, which is the story of David coming into Saul's service. Now the Spirit of the Lord had departed from Saul, and an evil spirit from the Lord tormented him. It's funny how God can use anything and anyone for his purposes. Saul's attendant said to him, "See, an evil spirit from God is tormenting you. Let our Lord command his servants here to search for someone who can play the lyre." Okay, before I even get there, I pray that you surround yourself with people like this who can discern and see what's going on in your life and advise you and be bold enough to advise you accordingly. Because these guys saw what Saul couldn't even see and gave him the right advice. Goes on to say, verse 16, "Let our Lord command his servants here to search for someone who can play the lyre." First quality, someone who can play the lyre. It had to be specific. Someone who can play the lyre. He will play when the evil spirit from God comes on you, and you will feel better. Look, this is a word for every musician, for every creative person. If you can play the lyre, I pray that you play so that people can feel better, so that people are relieved from the evil spirits. I mean, what's the point if we cannot heal people's souls? I pray that you play to the extent and you sing and you do what you do so well that evil spirits leave when you decide to play. So Saul, it's verse 17 now. So Saul said to his attendants, "Find someone who plays well and bring him to me." One of the servants answered, "I have seen a son of Jesse of Bethlehem who knows how to play the lyre." My question is, are you playing in the right places? Are you playing for people who are in the audience with kings who can recommend you when the situation arises? Are people speaking your names in boardrooms? Are you positioning yourself to be found when the opportunity arises? I have seen a son of Jesse, verse 18, of Bethlehem who knows how to play the lyre. Look at the first quality. He knows how to play the lyre. He is a brave man and a warrior. He speaks well and is a fine-looking man. And most importantly, that's just me adding, and the Lord is with him. We think that because we play, it's enough. Talent is not enough. Look at the qualities. Firstly, yes, he needs to be able to play the lyre. 2, he's a brave man. Are you brave enough to take opportunities? Are you courageous enough to run with the gifting that you've been given, to pursue opportunities that are not even meant for you? Are you that brave? Are you a warrior? Can you fight for things? Can you fight for people who have no voice? Can you just fight for what belongs to you? He speaks well and is a fine-looking man. He speaks well. Look, do you speak well? Are you conversant about certain things that you should be bringing attention to? It's amazing what is in the word. I love how the word works. And then the last is, and he's a fine-looking man. Are you presentable? Because if you're going to be representing the kingdom, you need to look the part, And most importantly, the Lord is with him. Look, I don't believe that this gifting can happen, or this, whatever it is that is placed upon you, can work when God is not with you. It has to be evidence that God is with you, and his power is too good. His power is too amazing for you to operate without him being with you. So that's the word that I wanted to share, and I really hope that it speaks to someone, because it's literally been speaking to me over and over, and I pray that you're blessed with it. God bless you.